4, we are given a question that says one of the following is a mixture. Now, before we move on to the options, what do you understand by the word mixture? Now, mixture is just simply the combination of two or more substances that are physically combined. Combination of two substances that are physically, two substances that are what? Physically combined. So that means if these two substances can be physically combined, they can also be physically separated. But we have two kinds of mixture. Have that in mind. The kind of mixture we have what we call the homogeneous mixture and the heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous kind of mixture and the heterogeneous kind of mixture. So what is homogeneous kind of mixture? The word homo means same, while the word hetero means different. So when we have homogeneous kind of mixture, this is when you combine two or more substances and they only give the same phase, or just say one phase. Let me give a typical example. Let's assume we have sugar plus water. When I try to dissolve sugar and water, I'm going to see that at the end of my result, I'm going to have a colorless solution. A colorless solution. So that means they only have one phase. But when it comes to heterogeneous kind of mixture, in this kind of mixture, you observe that if I should have palm oil plus water, not kerosene, palm oil plus water, I'm going to have two kind of phase. A part will be red and a part will be colorless. So this kind of mixture is called heterogeneous. So we want to see in our option which of them is a mixture and which of them is not a mixture. Okay, so going back to our option, again we have that one of the following is a mixture. Let's pick option A, granulated sugar. Now if you look at it, granulated sugar are actually made up of what? Elements, or are made up of compounds. And you know that mixture can never be a compound because compounds are always chemically combined. So therefore, our granulated sugar is not a mixture. Let's go to the next one. Seawater. Now when we look at seawater contains many impurities. For instance, it contains water itself, it contains salt itself, it contains microbes, it contains micro elements, or let me call them trace elements. You can see all these are all together, mixed together to form our seawater. So because of that, seawater is a mixture of water, salt, microbes, and micro elements, such as our magnesium, likewise our calcium. They are typical example of micro elements we have in the seawater. So seawater is a mixture. Okay, the right answer should be our option B. But before we move on, let's see the other options. In the other option, we have sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is a combination of sodium and chlorine, and that's chemically combined. Another one is ion fillings. Yeah, ion fillings are just the particle of ion. So it's like Fe. So it's not combining with any other compound or any other element. So it's just a pure element. So the right answer here is the right answer here stands for our option B. Option B stands as the right answer.